Dear students, welcome to chemistry lecture number 3, halogen derivatives. In last lecture we have seen introduction, classification, nomenclature and methods of preparation of halogen derivatives. Now today we will see the physical properties of halogen derivatives. So the first one physical properties is nature of intermolecular force. Nature of intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is the force between two molecules, or the force of attraction which holds two molecules together. We have in alkyl halides or halogen derivatives, we have two molecules, alkyl group and halogen, RX. So carbon and halogen, these two atoms are bonded by polar bond. The electronegativity of halogen is greater than carbon, so the bond is strong. CH bond is strong, but the size of halogen atom increase from fluorine to iodine. The bond strength decrease when size increases. So CF bond is stronger than Ci bond. This bond, CX bond, if here fluorine is taken, then CF bond is stronger. If either here Br is taken, CBr bond is weaker than CF bond. Why? Because the size of atom of fluorine is lower than Br or I or Cl. So when CX bond strength decreases if size increases. That's why CF bond is stronger than CBr bond, CCl bond or Ci bond. Next, we can see the second property, boiling point. What is boiling point? Boiling point, the temperature at which vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Boiling point of alkyl halides are different with alkenes because of molar mass. When molar mass increases, boiling point also increases. See the table. CH3F methyl fluoride, the boiling point is 194.6. CH3Cl 248. Boiling point increases due to increasing in molar mass. Come to the next point, solubility. Organic compounds are soluble in organic solvent. Alkyl halides also soluble in organic compounds but insoluble in waters. That's the similar with aryl halides. Aryl halides are also insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. All organic compounds are soluble in organic solvents but insoluble in water. The next point is, if we see the example of boiling point, aryl halides are, whenever the molar mass increases, volume solubility also increases. Solubility, the next physical property is melting point. Melting point, the melting point is the temperature at which solid is converted into liquid. In aryl halides, the property of melting point is quietly different. If we take example of meta or ortho derivatives of halogen derivatives, the meta and ortho derivatives have low melting point. So the melting point of para isomer is high than meta and ortho. Because what is the reason? Because the symmetrical structure which can easily pack closely in the crystal lattice. So these four properties are physical properties of halogen derivatives.